Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to get Tachiyomi extensions. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for a trusted community repo such as Kyoshi. Tachiyomi extensions. Open the third GitHub link. Once the website full loads, scroll down and copy the full URL. This link allows the app to access available manga sources. Next, open Tachiyomi, tap Browse, then Extension Repos, and select Add. Paste the copied URL and confirm. The app now knows where to fetch extensions. Go back to the main screen, then refresh the extensions page. You will see a full list of available sources. Tap Install on the ones you want. If prompted, allow installation from unknown sources in your phone settings. After installing, tap the extension and select Trust. Without trusting it, the source will not appear in your library. So that's basically how you can get Tachiyomi extensions. Thanks!